Good morning everyone, so we're looking at another Rotary watch review. So let's have a initial look at the box first. So we've got sort of a plain cardboard outside cover. Very simple with the Rotary embossing in the outside. Let's see if I can get this out. Inside it reveals a sort of a British Army green style box, as Rotary is it's obviously an English brand nowadays. You can still see the seam lines on the outside there, but it's only a simple lift-off lid box with a little bit of grey detailing, so it's not too much of a worry. So here we go guys, this is the Rotary Contemporary Oxford 40mm. So let me see if I can just remove this bit of plastic before we continue. So it's got a 40mm case diameter with a roughly a 10mm case thickness. Retails at £109. Weighs 150 grams, but I think it weighs less than that just because of the strap that's on it. So that might weigh 150 grams with metal strap, and it uses a quartz movement. So coming down to the dial, we've got it is a easy read dial with angled hour markers just to catch the light. As you can see here, you can see that's catching the light on the reflection there. The angled markers, so they catch the light quite nicely when you're looking at it. Full sapphire glass going over the top of the actual face of the watch. It's a full matte, sort of matte black style dial with fully luminous hands as well, nice long hands. Yeah, 50-meter water resistance with this watch, and a nice date dial as well, just sitting down at the 3 PM. And you've got dolphin hands as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Inside the actual face of the watch, just got no sort of markings inside there, just a plain sort of mirror effect finish. The hands give off, they do catch, as it should do, they catch light really nicely. It's quite a nice thing to see. So yeah, it's quite a nice contemporary style watch. So the actual brand Rotary was founded in Switzerland in 1895, but then moved to London in the 20th century. So coming out to the casing, we've got a full sort of stainless steel casing got all the way around the outside, and the stainless steel polish finish on the actual brush finish, depends on the term you prefer, on the crown as well. We'll have a look at that crown now for you. The crown's got a very nice, decent amount of feedback. Yeah, when you pull it out, it's got a decent amount of strength to it. Second position. And the hands give good feedback as well, nice and strong. It doesn't feel flimsy at all, and the hand movement relative to the crown movement is a decent one. Those luminous markers in the side of the actual stainless steel hands there, they stand out really nicely, and they're quite bold as well. Rather than being sort of standard white, they're a bit more of a sort of a polar white, a bit like my gloves. And they stand out really nicely against those markers on the back there. It gives off it is a very easy read style watch. So coming down to the strap, we've got a I think this is a leather, is it leather strap? Yeah, it's a leather strap. I'll tell you the width. Didn't find out the width on the specs, but we can tell you that now. It is a 20mm strap, so if you want to change that, you need a 20mm lug width strap. It's got a nice sort of matte effect with a single window system, no sort of metallic rings inside there, so it will stretch over time if you're wearing it for more of a tailored fit. You've got a nice little unique touch here with a little knot of rope in sort of the end of the strap here. So come round to the back of it, back of the strap. The strap isn't quick release or anything like that, but you've just got these little sort of notches of rope here tied to the strap in different sort of places. A full sort of rotary embossing in the actual strap as well. The buckle is a full stainless steel buckle with the rotary markings as well. Got a decent hinge inside there as well. 2 holders for the strap to go in. So you've got one that's free roam, one that's just fixed in place. That's quite a usual sort of industry standard nowadays. And then finally, the back plate. So we've got that 125 years celebratory back dial. As you can see, it really nice sort of printing on the back there and the model number. A little more information about the watch as well, the stainless steel markings, etc., and the sapphire glass quota. So there we go, guys. That is the Rotary Contemporary Oxford.